guys, you see it's early in the morning. Hot August nights. Well, it's kind of chilly right now, but it's all good. Man, you know the saying, this could be you, but you weren't here. You spent all this money. I know you want the world to see it. I do. I know he do. You want to see yours too?
Yes, sir.
That's right, yeah.
What is that under the back of my tire? Something blew up in here?
No, that's a piece of paper or aluminum foil.
I was going to say.
You say, oh Lord, it's over.
That's going to do that.
Oh, it's a little candy wrapper underneath the car.
Oh.
Wow, look at that center console. Beautiful.
Here we go.
I hear some things firing up. Yeah. That part. This is where you want to be. Shelby.
Yeah, you're good. Now straight back. Straight back. Straight back more. Don't come around yet.